We just want to say we just got our house turning from Casabella. We've been planning this renovation for probably a couple of years. Went through a couple of people. Casabella was referred to us with a friend. The 2 months that we got this renovation done, it's been an amazing experience. We're extremely happy with what we got. The attention to detail from Casabella was
Mind-blowing.
mind-blowing. I mean, we get a call for every single thing, and it's the precision that they've done everything, and the timelines. Extremely happy. We were quite nervous in the beginning, but these guys put everything at ease, essentially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just echoing what Danish just said, the people at Casabella are just amazing to deal with. Nadia, you're a legend for all your amazing records with the interiors. Lucky, he's just been a standout. He's been on top of it and just done an amazing job of our bathrooms, our kitchen. I don't think we could have done any better, and we're super happy. So highly recommend, and thank you, Casabella.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.